In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Discord. So you might be looking to remove Discord, uninstall it for a number of reasons. It could be that you no longer use Discord, or maybe you just prefer to use the web-based version rather than the app you have downloaded. So as you can see, I've got the Discord application downloaded onto my PC, but what I'm going to do is uninstall that because I do prefer to use the web-based version. So discord.com on here on the web. So to uninstall it, it's very simple to do. What you're going to do is come to this search bar in the bottom left hand corner. Then you want to click on to the search box and type remove. And what's going to happen, you're going to get an app appear at the top of the page saying add or remove programs. So you want to give that a click to open up your settings. And what it's going to do is take you across to a page that's going to look like this. And to uninstall Discord, all you need to do is simply scroll down the page until you get to Discord, which you can see here. Alternatively, what you can do is just come to this search box here and type Discord in there, like so. And then once you click onto it, you'll see you've got the option to uninstall. So you just want to go ahead and give that a click. What it's going to do is it's going to open up a wizard which is going to run you through the uninstallation process. It only takes a minute or two just to run through and uninstall. And of course, once that's uninstalled, you will no longer be able to use Discord via the app. You can obviously still use it on the web-based version, but if you just don't use Discord anymore or anything like that, then make sure you come across and follow these steps to uninstall Discord from your PC. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord, then make sure you click the on-screen pop-up. That's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.